Hello my friends, and in this video we're going to be going through how we can add our ClickFunnels environment to the Google Search Console. This will help us so we can then add additional information, so when they search through our pages and different things, that it can come up in a very simple way. So first thing that we're going to go and do is that you're going to go into search.google.com, and that will open your search console. If you don't have one created, just go through the prompts. And then what you could do is that you can, on the top left, you can look at the different properties you have, and you can click here, add property. So I'm going to add a new domain. And the domain that I'm going to be working is a new store that I'm working. So startupmerchstore.com. And what this will do is that it gives you the option to validate that you're the owner of the domain. So when you click, it's going to check where your domain is located, and it will add a record to your DNS. It will tell you, hey, this is a record that I need to add. If it can add it automatically, it will give you the record so you can add it. In my case, I'm leveraging Cloudflare, so I validated it and I went through. So now I can go into the property, and in here I have the property, but at the beginning there's nothing. So as people start querying, there will be information, but I want to do it a little bit faster so it can get all the information. So how can I do that? If I open a new tab, I can, in ClickFunnels, I can get the sitemap.xml, and this will give me all the pages that are selected to be indexed by a search engine. And what I could do is that here on the left, you see there's a site index map. I can add the site index map, and I can click submit. And what that will do is that this will automatically update anytime that a page is added into your ClickFunnels environment, so it can get indexed by Google right away. So see, it discovered 363 pages. So now this will start capturing all the information and enriching, so when people look for it, they can find your articles, your pages, or anything that you want very easy. My friends, hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.